This video on AP Human Geography answers a question on Stouffer's Law. The question is, define and give two examples of a push vector, a pull vector, and an intervening opportunity. Stouffer's Law is of intervening opportunities, and we will discuss that later. This is a pretty quick question, so afterwards we will go over some facts and things about human migration. So let's talk about push vectors. Push vectors push people away from or make them want to leave their current location. Push vectors can be all sorts of things. They can be basically anything, but they usually fall into three categories: political, economic, religious, or environmental. People migrate from a religious region, political reasons such as corrupt government, civil wars, things like that. Economic, if the economy's not doing well, they can't find a job, things like that. Religious, they aren't allowed to practice the religion they do. Or environmental, the environment can be bad and people might want to move away. Or, pollution. So if you can think of anything, any of those things like that, and you put three of them down as your two examples in case one of them doesn't count. Pull factors are things that pull people or make them want to go to a different location. So now, again, these things can be economic, religious, or environmental, but these can be more widespread and have many different ones, like educational as well. People might migrate to a different country to go to college or something. So just put down 3 for that. Now we can talk about Stouffer's Law. Stouffer's Law of intervening opportunities is based on the idea that people migrate not based on distance, but on the idea that another place has more and better opportunities. Intervening opportunities are opportunities that persuade a migrant to stop en route to a different planned destination and go to a different destination. Intervening opportunities must be similar or better than the planned opportunities. So what are intervening opportunities? They are very similar to pull factors. If a person starts here, maybe he has some push factors, and maybe he just sees that the place over here with better opportunities, he would go there. But there's intervening opportunities, and this place right here has better opportunities, and you might go there. So you'd want to give some examples of intervening opportunities. So now we've done answering the question, let's talk a bit about human migration in the present world. So this map is called a cartogram, and it shows the size of a country based on something that usually is not land area. This one, it is based on the amount of immigration. As you can see, America is very large, and places like Russia and Jordan are very large, and things like that. This map does not do a good job of showing which country is which, but you get the idea. Let's look at another map. This map is of the net migration rate by country, and so it shows per 1,000 residents how many would be immigrants or would leave. So, as you can see, places like Canada and Australia and UAE, which was one of the large ones on the other map, have a very high immigration per person. But if you look back at the other map, they do not have a super high, super large size. That is because they don't have a ton of people, but they do still have a very high immigration rate. Countries like Somalia and Syria and places like that have a lot of people going out. And from this map, you can see where people are leaving and where they're going to. A lot of people stay in Europe and leave the Middle East and Southeast Asia. when you think about this type of thing, think about why people are leaving, because that will really help you on the geography exam. A lot of times they have questions on this type of thing. So that's about all that I have to cover in this video. Thanks for watching.